guys, hang with me. It's gonna be a very pretty fast but very detailed video for you to see the step by step on how I achieved this beautiful curly updo look with two bangs. First of all, I started off with blowing out her natural hair. Now I'm pulling it up in a bun. Alright, so for this look you need your client to have a natural hair, mostly because of the back. Just stay tuned so you can see what I'm talking about. Alright, so now I pulled the hair in a bun. I'm gonna go around with my got to be spray to hold the hair down. Alright, so I'm going around right now with my got to be spray, and it didn't really show, but when I was done with the got to be, I also used the edge booster over it, and now I'm blowing drying it. So going around and blow dry, it helps it to like hold up a bit longer. Alright, so now I'm going in with my brush. Alright, so I didn't like blow dry it to be very dry, so that I could go with my brush to brush it down, and I'm gonna blow dry it one more time after going with my brush. Alright, so now I'm going in with my glue. Alright, that's good. Alright, blending the glue in. So for this glue, I did the application 3 times. So I did 3 applications. Not all was captured in this, but that's what I did. It's good because it helps the lace to hold, longer, and I allowed it to dry clear. All right, so now you're gonna see the next step, which is I've applied the lace and I'm trimming it out. So for this look, I used the 13x4 HD lace frontal. This don't require a 13x6, which we all know that is more deep inside. For that 13x6, I will do with it if I'm doing like a ponytail or all back look. But for this 13x4 is perfect. All right, so I went around with the bundles. She had used this bundle previously. So I decided to use it again for this look. The lace frontal is from Unique Berry, our HD lace frontal. All right, so now is the melting spray that I'm using around the edges so the lace can melt. Oh yeah. Okay, so for the back, I'm doing like a messy curly updo look where I pulled a little strand of hair, twisted it around like I'm twisting it right now, and pulled it in. And that way it makes it like look very messy but cute. Yeah, this is the final look. Yeah, do you like this look? It's very, simple, classic, beautiful, and you can see her face shape. It fits her perfectly. All right, and this is her. She's ready to step out. I love it. Do you like it? Make your appointment today. uniqueberryhair.com.